Tell them bitches that you know we ain't playing no more. Left one dead, homicide, bitch. Check the scoreboard, that's on me. Got me and my boy Bass up in the studio about to let y'all bitch ass niggas what's going on, you hear me? Real blood, I'ma tell you some shit. Bitch ass nigga, for real. Hey little bitch, why you playing around? Leave your body lost and found. Nigga that don't hear him now. Smoke that bitch like some good Doja, got me water now. One victim dead, I ain't tripping how I play my cards. On a road with a dirty chopper, about to burn the top. Niggas really pressed, don't ever fucking come around. Real thugs, the way them niggas fucking diss us. Big blood, I'm a motherfucking killer. Money ain't a problem if you know how to flip them bricks, bruh. Niggas really out here sitting bounties tryna kill us.
My bitch mad, didn't give her the dick again. She was sad, she threw another fit again. She was good as soon as I put it in. She started moaning like a motherfucking violin. Yeah, my pain is insane, the shots to your brain. Now I'm on the run for a murder case. Now your family got you put inside a fucking vest. This is life, not a game. I could be like Scarface and be doing cocaine. Be getting shot up, I'm not feeling the pain. Going out like a bang. I started from the bottom, shooting straight for the top. I'm gonna be the only one to make it out. And when I do, I gotta make it count. It's not just for me, it's for the fam. I pop a perk, I pop a Zan. Got me feeling like I'm Superman. I could save the whole world with just one hand. Destroying all these villains like they some tin cans. They say, doggy bone tripping, come and get your mans. I don't fuck with these hands, pull the Glock and let that bitch spray. Get you fucks with anybody, gotta say. Cause if anybody got a problem, I'll come meet them with the fucking llama. And then that shit, cause I shouldn't have to worry about no bitch.
Little bitch, why you playing around? Leave your body lost and found. Nigga that don't hear him now. Smoke that bitch like some good Doja, got me water now. One victim dead, I ain't tripping how I play my car. On a road with a dirty chopper, about to burn the town. Niggas really pressed, don't ever fucking come around. Real thugs, the way them niggas fucking diss us. Big blood, I'm a motherfucking killer. Money ain't a problem if you know how to flip them bricks, bruh. Niggas really out here setting bounties tryna kill us, little bitch.